Hello, this is a video to show you basic features of Google Forms. So here on top you can see the templates created by Google, and this is the recent forms that were created by you. So we will do it from scratch. So click the blank button here. On top you can see the button where you can customize the theme. You can upload the header, anything that you want, so you can upload, or you can select the ones that were created by Google. Let's use this one, for example. And then you can also choose the theme color, um, and the background color and the fonts. But the fonts change only for the questions and the title of the form, but not for the answers. So see here, let's use the basic one. So this is title of the form. This is the description of the form, and those are the questions. Let's use different questions. So multiple choice is when person can select only one option. And then let's add another question with the checkboxes. Checkboxes is when a person can select more than one option from the answers. Also, it's good to use other is when a person can write anything they want if they couldn't find the needed answer here. You can also use the multiple choice checkboxes drop down. So this will be question 3, option 2, and as well the text field. This is where you use question for email address. Don't forget to make it required. You can also have short or large text, long answer text, and then you can add another title and description for another block of questions. For example, you can add images, videos, and another section. Another section is just second page, basically. Then what's important is to go to the settings and then to uncheck this button. This block, this means that only me and Natalie and our team can answer to this form. Then in presentation, you want to uncheck this one, also show link to submit another response. And you can write the thank you for your reply message here. You can save it. And then in order to see the responses, you go to this tab. Also, you want to check the get email notifications from your responses, and check this button with a spreadsheet. You can create a new spreadsheet for your responses, so you will see it. It will open in the next step, or you can select even the existing one. Yeah, we already selected the new one, so it will be there. You also, if you want to preview, you can go here, and we will see now the differences between the different questions. So like I said here, I can only select one option. So it's loading. And here I can check box make selection to more than one answer here. This is only one answer, and this is the drop down that we use, and this is the email address. So, and now the spreadsheet will open, hopefully here in the next tab, and I will show you how it looks like the spreadsheet with your answers, with the answers of the people. And also when you want to send, so this is important, or this is the link that you want to send. Don't use this one, the email, send you email, just send the link. So you can copy it here, and you can also shorten it here. You would like to send it, of course, by your email address. So this is helpful. Copy this link and save it somewhere. And hopefully I will show you now. Yeah, so this is the spreadsheet that were created automatically, and each answer will go here automatically. You don't have to use to do anything here. So just save the link somewhere or go to your Google Drive and you will see it there. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you.